Mga kapuso, sa atong spotlight segment din sa At Home with GMA Regional TV, karong buntaga atong makauban si Bangsamoro Parliament Member sa Lanao del Sur Province, Mr. Zia Alonto Adiong. Sir Zia, good morning o welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Maayong buntag kaninyo tanan.
Sir Zia, kumusta ka na ngayon, lalo na ngayong quarantine time?
Well, I'm doing fine. I'm doing what everybody else is doing. Observing the minimum public health requirement, staying at home, avoiding crowds, maintaining physical distancing, wearing face mask all the time pag lumalabas ng bahay, and just basically trying to survive this pandemic.
Sir Zia, kilala po yung angkan nyo na nasa politika dyan sa Lanao del Sur. On a personal note, paano po kayo naiiba sa kanila?
Well, I would like to treat myself as one of the many, no? We've been known, ang family namin is, our family is known to be associated with the struggle of the Bangsamoro people, and that is to have a meaningful autonomy. Started with my grandfather, Senator Dumukaw Alonto, and I'd like to treat myself as part of my own constituency. No, I'm no different from the rest of my people. So that has been the politics that I believe in. It has been the politics of my family that has been forwarding for the longest time.
Sir, sa pagdiriwang natin ngayon sa Philippine Independence Day, gaano ito ka-meaningful ngayon, lalo na dyan sa Marawi, lalo na sa malagim na pinagdaanan nito noong Marawi Siege?
Well, we have to contextualize, no, sa ngayon, I think, no, because of the present status that we're in. We know of independence as the usual, no, celebration, that this is the time when our forefathers declared independence from foreign intervention. No, we have our own government set up. We have our own ways and of charting our own destiny as a nation and as a country. We need to at least encourage in ourselves, no, the concept of bayanihan. No, this is the time where we need to unite our people. We need to cooperate with the government. We need to instill in us the sense of community. No, so that's what makes this Independence Day more meaningful and different from the ones that we have celebrated in the past.
Kamusta na po ang rehabilitation program dyan sa Marawi City?
It's nice of you to ask me that kasi it's been 3 years na, no? It's been 3 years, and I think we need to fast track the rehabilitation process, especially now that we are facing COVID-19. Doble nga yung challenges ng Maranao, ng mga taga Marawi City, Lanao del Sur. Not only are we facing the ongoing rehabilitation program or the rehabilitation process, the challenges of rebuilding the city, but we are also faced now with COVID-19 pandemic, and this will make the rehabilitation more prompt this time and should be done quickly as possible.
Sir Zia, ano po ang pananaw nyo sa isinusulong ngayon na anti-terror bill?
Ako po ay IDP. I was displaced po ako hanggang ngayon. Nasira po ang aming bahay dahil sa terorismo. All of us really are in unison. No? All of us do understand that the primary concern of the state is to protect its own people. And we all agree with the move to really eradicate the country from terrorism and from terror, to protect our streets from terror attacks. Although the disagreement really comes from the method and how do we implement programs in a matter of making sure that terrorists will no longer be visible in our streets. No, I think an position ko dyan is we can protect our people. We can protect our people and fight terrorism and still fight terrorism without necessarily disarming our citizens with their basic rights, and that is my position on that. No, fight terrorism and then making sure that we also protect and uphold the rights of our people.
Lastly, sir, yung mensahe niyo po sa publiko, lalong-lalo na sa mga kapatid nating Muslim sa Lanao del Sur at iba pang bahagi ng Mindanao sa pagdiriwang natin ngayon ng kalayaan.
Well, unang-una, sabi ko nga, we need to make sure that the independence, the concept of independence that is understood in a way that would bring us together. No, it is the time where Muslims and Christians should not really divide themselves in terms of religious affiliation, but they have to go back to what something that really puts us together as a one country. and that is citizens of Philippines under one flag and under one constitution.
Daghang salamat sa imong panahon ug oras, Assemblyman Zia Alonto Adiong. Og sir, ayo kalimti. At home ka pirmi with GMA Regional TV.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Mga kapuso, mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.